Welcome back to the Tech Space, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch your replays on Fortnite Battle Royale, how to save them, and then how to use them later on. Without further ado, we're going to jump straight into this video. Make sure you guys smash like and hit subscribe before we jump into this video. I'm going to go through this process right now. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're going to access your replay is first go to where the replays are. So you're going to have Fortnite on, you're logged in, you're on Fortnite Battle Royale, not the Save the World campaign mode that no one plays. You're on Battle Royale, you go all the way over to the side career tab, and here you see replays. Now here we can click on a replay, and I'm going to show you guys what the replays will look like as we click on them. But before we do that, I'm going to show you guys something else. So what you're going to want to do to save your replays is once you've had a good game set, you go back to your replays, and what we're going to want to do within this menu is go ahead and click the Y button on the replay that we want, click A, and then name it. So let's name this the Tech Space, but we're going to name this the Tech Space, and that's the name of our replay. We click A to confirm it, and that's basically it. So we have it saved, we can use it for later and all this good stuff. So that's cool and all, but we're going to go over how to actually see the replay as well. So I'm going to go here to not the Tech Space, that's actually a bad example. We'll go to this game that I actually won right here. So we're going to go to the game that I won. I'm going to go to the end of it so I can actually look good at the game. And I'm going to show you guys the little clip at the end where I won the game. No, I'm just joking. But for real, this is the replay for the game that I just won in Fortnite Battle Royale maybe 2 days ago. I win all the time in solo, so don't get me wrong. Don't get me twisted. I'm a beast at this game. Alright, so we're going to go over to the bottom here, and we're just going to go over the options. So actually I'm going to do that in a different video. That's going to take a second. There's too many options at the bottom too. So look, this is how you go through your replay, and I'm going to show you two things right here. So we're going to skip ahead, of course, a little bit here so I'm on the ground, and maybe towards the end of the game. Oh yeah, the game ended. We skipped a little bit too far ahead. So basically you can access your replays like that. You can go to third person, as you guys can see here. In the bottom right corner it says drone attached, drone free, gameplay, and you can switch between them. Hopefully this will load up here soon and I can actually show you guys a little bit of what it's doing. Okay, so we're going to zoom, or not zoom, we're going to fast forward ahead a little bit so that I can actually see myself on the ground. And basically within this replay mode, you can see like all these different angles. You can basically have a free cam. You can watch whatever you want. You can sit there and stare at the grass if you want. You can stare at the guy that you don't even know across the map that has no skin, or follow the skeleton around that you think is the best player in the world. See why they're better than you and see why they keep killing you. You can do all this crazy stuff within the Fortnite replay system. So I'm just going to tell you guys that this shit doesn't want to load right now. So I'm guessing that, okay, there we go. So I actually got it to load. Oh yeah, you guys see that Omega skin? So we have third person, we have drone follow, we have drone attach, we have drone free. I can just watch myself, see? You can see me land at this very weird spot to land. We're going to go back to our third person point of view here, and I'll show you guys what I mean as we can continue to watch my guy just run around and that crazy. So as you guys can see here, I'm going to switch to the free cam. Let's go to drone free. And as you guys can see, if I press right trigger, I go up, left trigger, I go down, and I can just spectate and watch anything that I want. This is a really cool addition to the game, and I actually really enjoyed using it when I was doing a lot of my recording for my montages, and still I use it every single time I do a montage. I get some cinematic, some type of footage from this, because this is so crazy that you can do all of this. You can follow any player you want. You can, zoom in, zoom out, do all this crazy, technical work with the camera mode, and it actually saved it really well. So I was surprised at the use of Fortnite Battle Royale's replay mode. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'm going to go ahead and do a second video. If you guys hit, let's say, 1,000 likes on this video, I'm going to release the second part, which will show you guys just basically everything about Fortnite Battle Royale replay mode and how that works. So I'm going to show you guys all the settings, how to use it, how to record on it, how I record on it, how I edit on it, all this good stuff. And I want to show you guys all that, so you make sure you guys hit like, make sure you hit subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next video, I hope so at least, and I will see you guys again next time.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie, life is amazing.